So you've lost a receipt, maybe it was crumpled in your pocket, or you bought something online and deleted the email. Whatever happened, you're wondering, can I still claim that expense on my business taxes? Well, the short answer is yes, you can claim that expense even without a physical receipt. But, and it's a big but, you need another form of evidence. HMRC doesn't specifically require a paper receipt. What they care about is that you can prove that the expense was real, accurately recorded, and of course our favourite statement, wholly and exclusively for business purposes. So if you can show what the expense was, when it happened, who it was paid to, and how much it cost, you're covered. Let's bring this to life with an example. Say you're a freelance graphic designer and you pop into a shop on your lunch break to buy a replacement cable for your laptop. You need it because you need to get working. You pay by card, but you're in a rush. You don't grab the receipt and later realise it's gone. As long as your business bank account shows a transaction from that shop, dated and clearly identifiable, you could still claim that expense. Better yet, if you can take a photo of the cable, note what it was used for, or show that it fixed an issue you needed to keep working, you're in an even stronger position, but I think that's a little bit OTT. But here's the catch. If HMRC ever audits you, you need to prove that the expense was genuinely for your business. Vague entries like shop or miss for miscellaneous just don't cut it. And mixing personal and business spending makes life really messier. And my advice on that subject is always have a business bank account. Even if you're a sole trader, it's so easy to set up these days. You can set up online, like our partner Zempler Bank, absolutely brilliant, done online in minutes, and it keeps everything separate. There is nothing worse than having a business bank account with Netflix and food on there that's your own personal use. Anyway, you shouldn't be doing that. So make life easier and have a separate account, and then everything is so much cleaner and simpler to work with. So with all that said, this is exactly why digital record keeping is your best friend. With good accounting software, it should do all this for you so your accounts are perfect, easy to run, and if HMRC ever comes sniffing, all completely legitimised with all the expenses neatly justified. So what can you do? Well, with really good software, you should have an app. You can upload photos of receipts instantly on the fly. You get out of your cab, you've got the receipt, you take a picture of it, you can literally bung the receipt. It's a goner, but as long as it's in the accounting system, it's a winner. You can match them with your transactions, store everything in one beautiful, tidy, secure place, and then generate clean reports come tax season. So, as we've all done in the past, no more drawers full of paper, no more drawers full of receipts that have faded and you can't even see the print on them. You know, what was that £42 charge from 6 months ago? You don't need to worry about that because it's all a seamless process because of a really good online accounting system. Just smooth, simple, stress-free bookkeeping. If you want to claim business expenses confidently and stay on the right side of HMRC, you need a system that works for you, not against you. The truth is, messy and incomplete records don't just risk rejected claims, they can lead to penalties, stress, and serious delays if you're ever investigated by HMRC. And no one wants that in their life. And frantically scrolling through bank statements at midnight, trying to remember Office Goods Limited, what it was for back in February, you just don't want that in your life. So tools like online accounting aren't just convenient, they are game changers. With everything in one place, cleanly matched and backed with evidence, you can focus on running your business instead of constantly chasing admin. If you've winged it or you're winging it now, relying on memory and luck, this is your nudge to tighten things up. A few small habits like snapping a receipt with your online accounting app, tagging a purchase, or using the right software can save you a ton of time and trouble later on. As one example, we did a video a few years ago and a client was utterly staggered. He was saving £4,000 a year. Now he captured all the receipts on the go with our app. He was just over the moon. It was an absolute game changer for him. Got a weird expense you're not sure about? Or want some help with record keeping sorted once and for all? Please drop your comments in below and we're here to help. We're here to clear it up for you. Now, on to more super useful tips. Check out another game changer video that will help you get paid so much faster, a problem all of us have out there. So the video, Get Paid Faster, the secret to speedy customer payments.